Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to enable camera and microphone use notifications for Chrome, so you'll always know when these features are active on your device. This is a helpful option to keep you more aware of your privacy and give you peace of mind while browsing. Let's get started. The first step is to open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find the menu that controls all the apps and system features on your device. Next, scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. This section lists every app installed on your phone, and it's where you can manage their settings and permissions. From the list of apps, go ahead and select Chrome. Since Chrome is your web browser, this is where you can control how it handles notifications, permissions, and usage alerts. Now, tap on Notifications. This menu shows you all the types of notifications Chrome can send, and you'll be able to customize them here. Inside the notification settings, look for notification categories and tap on it. This section breaks notifications down into different types, so you can manage them individually. Finally, find the options for camera and microphone use. Toggle these on. Once these options are enabled, your phone will notify you anytime Chrome accesses your camera or microphone. This way, you'll immediately know when either of them is being used. That's all it takes. In just a few taps, you've set up Chrome to alert you whenever your camera or microphone is active. These notifications not only keep you informed, but also add an extra layer of transparency, giving you greater control over your digital privacy. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to follow along with these steps on your own device. It's quick, easy, and worth the peace of mind, knowing you're always aware of how your apps are using your phone's features. Thanks for watching.